practice for your technique, and we're about to learn that part right now. And that's all the D minor pentatonic scale. A quick little flick, and that's the G string, 5th fret. Then we go to the 7th of the D, and then 7 of the G to 5. But when we do, you can hammer from the 5 to the 7 on that G. We put it all together, and then 7, 5 on the D. Now I'm going to slide down a position from the extension. So it's the 3rd fret of the D string right there to the 5th on the A. Then ring finger on the 5th fret of the D, slide it up. It's another one of those little quick little blues note sounds. We're sliding it up to the 6 and back with one pick. Really quick. So from the top.